Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments and narrow domestic walls, so where the mind is without fear. Okay, there is a, so mind is without fear, nothing is there inside your mind. Okay, you are doing everything, okay, without fear, and head is held high because you are in truth, so your head will be held high. Where knowledge is free, knowledge is not sold out. Okay, you are getting free knowledge, people are sharing knowledge, okay, exchanging knowledge, exchanging information, where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Okay, so the world is not divided. Okay, world is regarded as one or single. Okay, means everybody. Okay, by narrow domestic walls, like we put wall to divide a family. The world is now divided like that in, according to okay, different things, religions, okay, country, then like that. Okay, where words come out from the depth of truth. Words. I was telling that people are okay, people are truthful. So the words what they tell means the statements are always of truth. Where tireless striving means your endeavor. Okay, means to get something, striving, hard work. Okay, endeavor, tireless endeavor. People are working, stretches its arms towards perfection. So, whatever people do, they do it perfectly, and okay, they don't leave the work in the middle. They want to do their work, okay, in perfect, so perfectly. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way, means the clear stream of reason, the reason टाକୁ से गोटे stream बोली भाविची, गोटे माने fountain बोली भाविची, right? Clear stream of reason, माने reason comes out, okay, from the people. There is some reason, there is some cause, okay, has not lost its way. That means into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. That means those reasons, okay, are not okay, are not towards the lost its way, means it's going in a different direction, not in the proper direction. Okay, not in the right direction, wrong direction. Okay, into the where the dreary desert sand of yes dead habit ये जोड़ा सबु आमर ट्रेडिशन so dead habit superstition okay जोड़ा अच्छी सबु tradition okay so it should not go okay dreary dry desert normally is dry okay into the dreary desert sand of a dead habit, where the mind is led, okay, forward by you. Okay, mind is mean you are the leader. Okay, you are taking us. You would be taking us. भगवान को है you would be taking us into ever widening thought and action. माने you will be taking us towards what? To good thought, to okay, innovative thoughts, to good action, to the right action. Okay, work. That means when God is leading you, then you are going in that direction. Okay, into the heaven of freedom. Okay, and if those thought and actions would be performed, those ever widening, that means appropriate thoughts and appropriate actions would be performed, then where you will lead us? To the heaven of freedom. Okay, so to the heaven of freedom. That means that freedom, that heaven, that earth will be a heaven. Okay, my father led my country away. So he tells like this because he expects his country to be awake. Okay, to be awakened. Understood? Means to rise from their sleep. Get up from the sleep. That means he expects that everything would be fine, and the world and the India especially, okay, will be a heaven of freedom. Understood? Where the mind is without fear. Okay. एथरे तुमरो जो रहिला सो एटा एमती बुझेले हैला एठी तुमको बहुत प्रकार क्वेश्चन भी आसी पारे हैला किछि क्वेश्चन सेत्रे अछि कि कोन देखिया गोटे गोटे क्वेश्चन कहलु फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ने बड़ कथा नै फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नो where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. What is meant by mind is without fear? Whose mind is the poet talking about and why? तो whose mind? एटे तुमे कौन भाबुचो कहा mind? People नहीं कि people. Okay. तापर कौन दला? Whose mind is the poet talking about and what is meant by mind is without fear? What is meant by mind? हमें तो एटा कहले mind is without fear means हमें will do our work without any fear. नहीं? They should be free to hold their heads high in self-respect without having any fear of oppression or compulsion. माने किसी बाध्यरे करा जीवन हैला कहा को ये हैला कंपल्सन माने बाध्य ऑपरेशन माने कोन एमिति माने ताको जबरदस्ती करेवा हैला बुझि परछो ओके हाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज मेंट बाय हेड इज हेड हाई why is the head bowed down and needs to be held high? Why is the head bowed down? तेणु वर्तमान हेड अच्छी तले माने तमे बो डाउन तमे करछो काहे कि ना तमे एटा हेल्ड हाई ता माने हमें कोन करछे सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट विदाउट हैविंग एनी फियर देयर इज ए फियर in our head. He is a rich people, he is a rich person, huh? He is a okay, like that, okay, or he is a high caste person, okay. So these are the fear in the minds of people, okay, huh? So that's why that should not be there, okay. Then that is not free, okay. Okay, huh? People are oppressed, huh? People are doing work because of compulsion, because of fear. Next question.
What does the poet mean by where is the knowledge is free? What were the restrictions imposed on the spread of knowledge?
Yes. So restrictions are many. Where knowledge is free means everybody should have the knowledge. Everybody should get the knowledge. Everybody should go to the school and get the education, irrespective of caste, creed, rich, poor, anything. Okay. Restriction means money is a restriction, and also what is that blind belief. Okay, untouchable. So that for untouchability also some people are not, are prevented to get education. So like that you will write, no problem in writing in just. Next, number 4.
What, according to the poet, were the effects of the restrictions imposed on the spread of knowledge?
Where the effects of the restriction imposed. Acha. Where the effects of the restriction imposed on the spread of knowledge. So it is poet question. Okay. Because then so what will happen? Now if because of if you will impose restrictions, then your then some people will not show their okay, and they will have their head low, bowed down. Understood? Then another thing, there will be differences in the society, and so this will also happen fragments. It will be by domestic wars. Next.
What is a sonnet? How is the poem part of a sonnet?
What is a sonnet? Okay. Sonnet means what? What you have written?
In a sonnet, the author presents an idea, presents an argument, makes a proposition, or passes a problem. The poem is a part of a sonnet. As the first 8 lines, the poet talks about the wonderful achievements and makes the country free and heaven-like.
Italy things. So এটা তো এই লেসন নু এটা অলগা সনেট উপর দেইছি পাটার দেইছি হোয়াট ইজ এ সনেট it is a poem of 14 lines, okay, commonly about love. It is a set apart by its distinct form. Sonnet is the most popular form of western lyric poetry, okay. So lyric poetry, okay. Sonnet may be a Petrarchan or okay Shakespearean. depending upon its form and style as practiced by the Italian poet Petrarch and the English poet William Shakespeare. Okay. So what it is told here, it's a form of Western lyric poet. Okay. Okay. And this is commonly about love. So here the love for the people. You can tell it is something, right? Love for the people, love for the country. Next. Next person. Where
the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wars, where words come out from the depth of truth. What, according to the poet, breaks up the world into fragments.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait. So, where the world has been broken up into fragments, the domestic wars. Okay. So, according to the poet, what? That the world of man is fragmented. It is restricted to small, okay, mutually exclusive compartments. Poet prays that the minds of his countrymen should not be engulfed. Engulfed ମାନେ ରହୁ ନବେ ଗୋଟେ ଫୁଟବଲରେ ଯେମିତି ଭିତରେ ରହେ ହେଲା in prejudices based on caste, class, color, religion, creed, region ହେଲା and narrow superstitions. Okay. ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଯୋଗୁ ଆମର ବ୍ରେକ୍ସ କରିଛି ୱାର୍ଲଡକୁ ଆଉ ହେଲା ତାପରେ
What are the narrow domestic wars that the poet speaks about in the poem? Why are they called narrow by the poet?
They are narrow because अच्छा ହେଲା ସେଟା କାହିଁକି ନା these things will not benefit our country, our nation. Okay. Next.
In what way can the narrow domestic wars be harmful to a nation?
So, because the people will be fighting, the people will be deprived from the deprived from facilities. Okay. Understood? There will be lot of the differences between the people will be increased, enhanced. These are the things. Next.
Why does the poet feel that the words should come out from the depth of truth?
Hello. So, words of truth should come out from the depth of heart and should be spoken courageously in the open for the world to hear. Okay. That means, এটা কোন question দেলা আউথর?
Why does the poet feel that the words should come out from the depth of truth? Why does he feel so?
That means where the words come out from the depth of truth. So he expects, okay, he expects something positive, okay, that the world should, where the words come out from the depth of truth. Why does he feel that the words come out? Acha. That means if the narrow domestic walls would not be there. Would not be there. People are all free. People are all equal. Then that should happen. Huh? Next.
Give the examples of alliteration from the above extract.
Okay. Two examples of all. Okay. Literation of from the above extract. Examples. Okay.
Where the word word
अच्छा.
alliteration.
Means ଏଠି ତ ଦେଇନି. ଓକେ alliteration ଟା ଏଠି କାହିଁକି ଦିଆଯିବ? ଆଚ୍ଛା ତ ସେ କହୁଛି give two examples of alliteration from the above. ଆଚ୍ଛା where words come out. ଓକେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
Where knowledge.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ world. where the world କାହିଁ where the world କାହିଁ where the world has not been broken. Okay, I'll say that afterwards. Tapare next.
How does the poet show in the poem that he has a religious outlook?
He has a religious outlook. So eta into the dreary desert. Eta mainly actually okay.